Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do this beautiful Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. It's a little bit bold, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look going, just continue watching. So I'm actually going to do this as a voiceover, and I already have my eyebrows on and I have primed my lids, and I'm getting ready to go in with my eyeshadow. So on a fluffy blending brush, I'm taking the ColourPop Powder Press Shadow in the color Wait For It, and I'm taking that into my crease, and I'm really blowing out that color, and I'm going back and forth because that's going to be the color that is going to be basically like a halo around our other vibrant red and pink colors. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth with windshield wiper motions and circular motions, and I'm really building that color in my crease and above my crease. This look takes a lot of blending, and you basically want to get your color to the consistency, the intensity I should say. Now with a crease brush, I'm going in now with the ColourPop color Stay Golden, and it's more of a reddish color, and I'm really being precise with this, going really inside my crease, going back and forth, and I am taking it out a little bit to make a cat eye. And same thing, just blend, back and forth, building that color to the intensity that I need it to be. And these colors are very pigmented, and they do have some fallout, so you definitely want to work with these shadows before you put your face makeup on. Now I'm going to be going in with a third color, and that's going to be the color High Strung. It's also a ColourPop color, and it is a deep rose gold, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And I actually didn't know that I got out of focus, so sorry about that. But I'm taking this color all over my lid. And then I went back in with that fluffy brush and put the other color, the orangey color Wait For It. Now going in with a pink color, the color Fair Play, also by ColourPop. I'm also putting that nice and deep into my crease. It's more of a pinky shade, so we're really building that outer corner. Now we're going to be going into... So now we're going to go in with our brow bone highlight, and this is a cream pressed powder shadow from ColourPop as well. I forgot the name of it, but yep, that's going to be my brow bone highlight. And you want to make sure that you bring it down and blend it really well into your shadows so everything looks seamless. Now we're gonna go in and make sure we blend everything out and everything is nice and seamless. We're also going to go in with a lighter color on top of that High Strung color, just to make it a little bit brighter on the inner corner or in the inside of your eye. Pardon me, my throat is a little sore. And that's what we're doing right now. Next, I'm grabbing my Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I'm tightlining on the top lash line, making sure it's nice and dark before I put my liquid liner on. You want to make sure that it's nice and blended in. You can wear false lashes for this look. I personally don't, because I have long lashes and I like mascara. Plus, I'm not really good at putting false lashes on just yet. So yeah, what we're doing is just tight lining, excuse me. Now we're gonna go in with our liquid liner, and of course I'm out of focus because I had to get really close to the mirror to be able to do my winged liner. I suck at wing liner, so I have to get really close, and usually I have to take a wipe and clean it up. So sorry if you're hearing some background on this voiceover, but I'm currently rocking my baby to sleep because I can only do voiceovers when everybody in the house is sleeping. So yeah, yep, I'm still doing my liner, I believe, because for some reason this eye took me so much longer and I had to like wipe it and start all over, and it was just a hot mess. Now I'm going back in with that high strung color. I'm really packing that in on my outer corner, just trying to get that transition from the dark rose gold into that lighter rose gold that we did on the inner part of our eye. So you want to really make sure that everything is defined. So now I'm going to go in and curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. And as you can see, I am curling my lashes now, getting ready to put on that mascara. And then now I am going to work on my lower lash line, and basically everything that you did to the top lash you're going to do to the bottom lash. So we're going to go in with that orangey color, and I think what I did was I just went in with the pink color, Fair Play, just to keep it bright. And then you also want to line your bottom lash line, or waterline I should say, with, I went in with the Tarte Sex Kitten eye pencil again. Now I'm going with my lip color. I went in with a Essence Red Lip Liner in Red Blush, and now I'm going in with the ColourPop Liquid Lip in Mama. And this is the final look. If you liked this bold Valentine's Day look, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you try to recreate this look or any suggestions you guys have on this. And I hope you have a good Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.